Euro dollar coming under pressure this morning, opening to the downside because obviously the war tensions or the fighting, it seems, going on, the strikes back and forth. US and Iran have obviously been trading fire between each other. We've seen a number of strikes, and some of them have been fatal. Okay, some of them have been fatal. A lot of sort of back and forth. It goes beyond just a saying of tit for tat because it's getting quite aggressive, and that's why when you look at oil, and it's very key to look at oil. I said this before. It's the heart of everything. We've had a big push to the upside. We're up 4% on the day at the moment for WTI. And obviously, we had that reversal last week, the candle, and now this follow-up momentum gap to the upside on these tensions, understandably. And it's all important for euro because obviously, euro dollar, obviously, the inflation trade benefits the dollar. Obviously, price action topped out, it seems, at this sort of area of liquidity around 1440 to 50. See here, various rejections, and now we're sort of breaking out of this channel. Okay, we've gapped out of this channel to the downside. There is key area of near-term liquidity here, protecting sort of the 14 area, understandably nice and psychological as well. There'll be a number of orders there that will likely at some point, if that does get a breakthrough, and stops are going to be triggered to the downside, are going to be drawn into the next areas of liquidity. Got a full playbook for this, especially given it looks like a bit of a head and shoulder as well, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Got a bit of a playbook of this, especially with the CPI readings. Understand that there are some things to consider with the US CPI. I did do a breakdown as well on my YouTube, which you can check out. But know how to position in and around this and on the back of this event, because it's going to be providing obviously opportunities and plenty of volatility. Structure obviously remains unchanged for euro, right? We've seemingly just got our lower high here, right? For all this, by the way, guys, I am opening up my mentorship waiting list right now. So if you do want to get involved in that and have the same level of macro knowledge, I don't gatekeep anything. It's to ensure that you're successful in the program. You're having me in your corner and driving you towards getting that multiple funding, or just building out your personal account, building out your track records to get you to a place where we can start looking at potential fund management, capital allocation, all that good stuff. But the only way you have that, all these big boys have macro knowledge, guys. So it's very, very important. If you do want to make this a potential career path for you, then having that macroeconomic knowledge is absolutely non-negotiable. The waiting list is open below. Further downside still eyed with euro. Keep an eye on these geopolitical tensions and the US CPI tomorrow. Catch you next update.